National Tobacco Control Program NTCP hakar phuwai tarik nailar 8,000 arkusan kala Rakhe ka program Pyllait ka Meghalaya na Duma Tobacco Free Meghalaya haka jingalang kabalalong ha State Convention Center Shillong. Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP ba ai ding do haka jingkran haki khana school bat ki Samla puli haka ni Sngi uloong badon kam ban pentre kam ya kani kaan COTPA namar hapo kani kaan kidan ki kendon haka section 6B kabalakran halor ki brew bat ki try dukan ki badi ya ki Duma hapo shispa yat ka jingjingai na ki school bar ki wei ki jaka puli ula kedau hapo kaan kinu ki bapen khen ya ki kendon jong kaan ladan kuna arspa tengkah ula benrap bakane ke jingdan kuna kadang long ka baduna namar kata ula ai jingmut ban penkiu ya ka kuna lengba ka jingpen kela bat penjana ya kani kaan khnang ban bat lakam ya ki brew ban nem de Duma hapo shispayar ka jingjingai na ki school bat ki jaka puli hagju ka por uba ai ding do ulong ban pendu bat ban penduna ya ka jingdan ki brew ki ba pendan kam ya ki Duma dan kam ka jinga trelang nadu ki tenat trekam ka sorkar bat ki pal ba hasnau hathau Ulong barok shikata nadu usnam 8,000 saw hadu 8,000 arpuar. Kitna trekam ke sorkar kum ka police department, education, health bat kiwe. Kitre kam la kajong kabor. Benta kini ki department kila sedang bane tre lang shrup kawai kabor ban bat lakam ban penduna ya ka jing pendan kam ya ki jat jing bam ni jing Duma. Ula kentu bat ai jing mut ki pat ba kentup ki khana school bat Samla pule ki kimi ki kpa ban kentu ya ki tu ki baya kendu bat imlang hasenda ban kyar ya Duma lada kimpat pendan kam bat ki bala kerni ban sange no ya ka jing melien ban di Duma hakane ka jing lang lapan kuburam ru ya ki khana school ki Samla pule bat ya ka tanat pulet nak keleng ki jaka ka jela ki bala penno bha ban pen priang ya ka Khubor ban sange ban kyar na ka jing pendan kam ya Duma.
Tobacco Products Act, it came into being in the year 2003 and it came into effect in the year 2004. From 2004 to 2022, the police department has been working on its own, the health department on its own, the district administration on its own, the education department on its own, when it comes to spreading of awareness about the ill effects of the usage of tobacco. Since 2022 to now, we are working together, the police, the district administration, the health department, education department, the transport department, along with the community leaders. How did this come about? Why do I mention 2022? It is because the then State Middle Officer, Dr. Lana Nongbri, along with Pramod Kumar of Samband Health Foundation, they came to SP's office, and since then we have been working together to achieve this goal of a tobacco-free Meghalaya. It requires the involvement of everyone, not only everyone in this room, but everyone in the state. Like what Madam Stoughton mentioned, do not glorify the use of tobacco. Why do students, I'll focus on students. Why do students use tobacco? Many reasons. One of them is to appear or to look cool. And let me tell you, in this day and age of people following trends, be different. Choose to not smoke, choose to not use tobacco. Why is achieving a tobacco-free Meghalaya important? Why do we have awareness every now and then? We need to understand that tobacco is considered to be a gateway drug. What is a gateway drug? Now, as students, those who choose to use tobacco will one day move towards smoking of marijuana, and some will move towards abusing or using of drugs like heroin, like cocaine, and so on. A tobacco-free Meghalaya will also bring about a drug-free Meghalaya. Why do we need such programs like today? We need to understand that such programs will spread awareness not only about the ill effects of tobacco use, but also of Khuborjylla, us having an act like Khuborjylla. Now, when we talk about Khuborjylla, we know that it is a good act, but we also need for Khuborjylla to be amended. Why do I speak about amendment? Now, if you look at section 6B of Khuborjylla, section 6B talks about talks about shop owners selling tobacco products within 100 yards of educational institutions. It is an offense. Now, what is the penalty for it? It is up to 200 rupees. Now, when you talk about repeat offenders, it still remains up to 200 rupees. This act needs to be amended. Why? Because repeat offenders should have a higher penalty. Let's say second offense, 10,000 rupees. Third offense, 1 lakh rupees. This, I'm telling you, will go a long way in ensuring that no shopkeepers sell tobacco products within 100 yards of any educational institution. See, like what I've told you earlier, we need the involvement of everyone. Doctor showed how students are playing a part in spreading awareness. She also mentioned about the villagers in villages, how they are playing a part as well, their part as well. I request all take forward this message that using of tobacco will have an adverse or negative impact on not only the family, the state, but the country as a whole. Thank you.
From the college category, Joy Polytechnic, West Dangle Hills, if you are here in college, West Garden Hills. District. Block coordinator's office is Omling block, Pindosa block and Hoplam block. goes to St. Joseph and Judy's Road School, Shillong. The next Synod English School, Khubor. Synod English School, Khubor. School, Mountain Road. St. Thomas RCP School, Mountain Road. Sngi Presbyterian Upper Primary School category. The Mau South Government Secondary School, Mau South Government Secondary School, Mau Christian Full Gospel Fellowship Secondary School, Nongsken, Peninsula, Nongsken. Christian Full Gospel Fellowship Secondary School, Nongsken, Peninsula. And the St. Thomas Secondary School, Nongri, Mountain Road. St. Thomas Secondary School, Nongri, Mountain Road. Thank you, Duma. Garo Hills and Shrimati Mikimchi R. Marak from South Garo Hills District. Please clap for them. They are doing the job from 2000.